She's got food in the 6 seasons. La 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 la. She's got juice and fun and freedom. La 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 la. Healthy meals that you can savor. La 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 la.
Girl, I am not that late for you to be at my door. I am not that late. Girl, we got another Publix meal, but we got Friskies Party Mix. Okay, so I got you a little combo. No, come on to your eating spot now. Come on. Okay, there go Publix. Hate it. Oh, you gonna eat it today? Okay, if that's what you got. Okay. Nope, she still hates it. Okay, girl, I'm going to the store today. Here, try this. Okay, there you go. That works. Maybe Friskies sponsor us. Straylisha loves you. Okay, Publix, dust. Pan Publix dust. Good morning. Good morning. I'm passing my home gym right now. It is still closed, so we're gonna go ahead and mosey on down to the next closest location. Did I do my hair this morning? No. Yeah, I don't know what it is. In the morning, I just can't get it together. Hoping to start the day off with some positivity because today is going to be a long day for many reasons. I do have to attend a funeral. Remember I was telling you guys that one of my former nanny clients' dad was not doing very well. Well, he went ahead and went on to glory, I believe last Friday. I didn't tell you guys because there was no point of telling y'all early. But today we are going to celebrate his life. So I'll be going to that. But yeah, I definitely wanted to, just start off with a good workout. And then come home and get ready for that. And then I have to work later on tonight. So it'll be a day. It'll be a day of mixed emotions. But for right now, we're going to start off with positivity and get our body moving. You have got to be kidding me. This gym is closed too? What is happening? Is that caution tape? Okay, guys, that is caution tape. It is also closed. We are closed. Why wouldn't I want to be motivated to work out? The gyms are closed. What? I'm gonna try one more. I'm gonna try one more Planet Fitness. Cause what is happening? What is happening? Very short workout is done. Very short, okay? It's the intro. Everybody calm down. Now let's go spend some money at the beauty supply store because I need to get my hair done for my Christmas party. But I need hair, okay? Okay, as y'all can imagine, I am hungry. I have not eaten yet, so I am drinking one of my protein shakes now. I'm about to cook, well, I'm cooking currently in my rice cooker, a cup of rice, and we're gonna make some tofu. I don't think I have any vegetables today, unfortunately, but I'll see what I have in my fridge and let's make up something. But yeah, I am hungry, okay? Yeah, I looked out the window and look who came back to be like, ugh, fine, I'll eat this mess. Ugh, she eating a Publix. That is hysterical. She was like, ugh, I guess if I have to eat Spam, I have to eat Spam. I get it, girl. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go to the store after the funeral. I'm so sorry.
I just want this to be ready.
Hey, y'all. Hey, I know. I hated to. I hated to. I thought I could blend the color in better, but this is all I could. I even put a little black. I have some black hair gel to blend it, but this is the wig. I do love the wig. Very natural looking, very much so. Could be growing from my hair, except for the fact that the blue is in here. Anyway, I am on the way to the homegoing service. I'm a little upset I can't find my black glasses because if Isabel gets up there and talks about her father, I'm gonna lose it. I'm already losing it. That's my baby. I've been with her since she was 2. I was her preschool teacher. She is now 13 years old. And if she gets up there and talks about her father, I'm going to lose it. So I need my shades. And so hopefully I can find them. But if not, just gonna have to lose it. Just gonna have to lose it. But yeah, y'all, I'm on the way to go pay my respects. So I will talk to you guys after the service. All right, y'all, I did good. I teared up twice. I did good. I held it in, kept my composure. Especially when the wife spoke, I was like, hold it in. I'm just headed home. Well, I guess I'll stop by. Actually, let me go to Publix and pick up Straylisha some food. Straylisha's cousin did say she has some more food for Straylisha, but I don't know exactly when I can meet up with her because I got to go get ready for work now, y'all. I got about 2 hours, but that's not a lot of time to play with when I'm not even home yet. So I'm going to stop by Publix. It's right down here, get Straylisha's food, and then head on back home. They did have stuff for me to eat, by the way, at the reception. We did not stay for the reception, me and my old co-workers, but I did like look around. I didn't want to record it, obviously, but I saw plenty of hummus and a fruit plate, and then I think the rest was meat. But I was like, okay, very nice. Singers, there was a live band, not like a but you know, a band there. Just a beautiful service. Beautiful service. And they said he planned it before he passed, so that's even better knowing that it went the way he wanted it to go. So rest up, Billy, you will be missed. I got another really good comment saying that her bed should never be by her food because of predators, which makes a lot of sense to me and why she's never in here. So I'm gonna move it all the way back here. Let me see, like I still want to be able to see it, but it can definitely be further back. It's going to be really cold overnight. Not saying she's going to use it. I'm just saying it's going to be really cold. So let's remove this. I'm just going to put this randomly on the ground. Okay. It's crazy because today is so beautiful. And it's going to be freezing tomorrow. Oh, neighbors grilling over there and they're building something over there. Lord, my privacy is about to be gone. What is happening? Okay, y'all. That is the shelter. Will it be blown down? Probably, but it's something. I mean, is she gonna use it? Also, probably not. But again, it's something. All right, let me clean up this food area because it is time. She still eat the Publix. Y'all, that is hilarious to me that she hates that Publix so much. Hysterical. Alright, so there's another POV for y'all. I feel like I should still pull the tarp a little bit further this way since, you know, the wind keeps blowing it away. Don't know if it's gonna be windy or not, but I don't know. I might do that later on. But okay, I got more things to do. All right, y'all. Hey, y'all. Hey, sorry, I never came back and said, oh, I'm on the way to work. I ate a quick lunch after the homegoing service. I had some, same thing pretty much. I had some a tofu salad, and now I am currently on the way to work. I'm really hoping the kids don't have any plans because I want to go to see some lights tonight. You know, I thought that'd be a great activity to do with them. So fingers crossed that we get to do that tonight. Otherwise, guess we'll be at the house. All right, y'all. Oh, and I brought some dinner with me as well. I know we are so past A. All right, that's fine. Okay. Girl, I know.
You can buy things.
Genius.
We can buy things.
Girl, I brought no money.
I feel like you would walk through this way, not go in, because people are coming out this way.
Okay. We were trying to see if there's a two-way or just this way.
I think see, it's over there, that bridge. If you listen to my video, it's right there. See how it's like.
Oh, you all right? Paved area only. Oh, that is so cute.
No, this is my favorite. This is my favorite.
Oh, the upside down tree. Y'all saw it?
You can see everything, right?
Upside down tree. Oh, look at the fountain with the lights.
It looks so good.
Oh my gosh, y'all look up. The kids are getting hot chocolate. Unfortunately, I cannot have it.
Yup.
Bow, okay. But I'm gonna get it for them. They even got the garage done. In fact, actually, this is a very large house now that I think about it. Like, even without the lights, this driveway is everything.
Yeah, it's bigger than I thought.
No, like, for real, like, yeah.
Last time we came, it was just like, it was way shorter. Like,
So pretty. Me and Priscilla. I feel like a little kid. No. Y'all probably figured out by now this was 100% for me and not for the kids, but that's okay. I just needed kids to go for an excuse to see some lights. Anyway, this was my dinner: Brussels sprouts, rice, and the tofu plus some tomato. But I didn't finish it because, you know, skinny legend. Okay, y'all, I know this doesn't look like much because there's not that much in here, but I stopped because I'm full. I'm proud of myself because I could eat this. I'm not stuffed. I could finish this, but I'm full because I ate slow and I let my brain realize that we've had enough food. So even though it's not a lot, this is a big accomplishment for me. So we're done. All right, y'all. Bye.